Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ronnie the Nomad and I thank you so much for the subscribers. Thank you. Today we are visiting 14 falls. Tunaenda huko kuangalia 1, 2, 3 siku ya leo. Asante sana. Come with me. Let's move together. Yako. So kama mko tuseme watu watatu mlipe so 3 ama so 2 kama mko wawili. And then if you are taking a video, kama unachukua video unalipa 500. And then kama ni kamera tu picha ni 200. 150.
Maitu ninguthi, aki maitu ninguthi, dunia ijonga iengalini. Mwana kibeti, chapa choka, wiki tabia nina choka wiani. Mwana kibeti, chapa choka, wiki tabia nina choka wiani. Azanda. Lumbagizi, kesha lumbagizi, lumbagizi cha mtoangalini. Lumbagizi, mama lumbagizi, lumbagizi cha mtoangalini. Ulimweba, ingombe, ulimweba, ingombe, ulimweba, ingombe, mulai wa mama, ingombe, ulimweba, ingombe, ulimweba, ingombe, ulimweba, ingombe, mulai wa mama, ingombe, nikomange filia, kuwete ngombe, nikomange filia, kuwete ngombe, nikomange filia, kuwete ngombe, kele tuka mama, kaitwa wa, mobo ngobo. Edo msingine, wayata. Kaisha, wamweni. Tomboleka. Hiyo ni moja.
Hiyo ni moja.
Yeah.
So hiyo sasa unachaja 50.
Nachaja mwana, hiyo ni 50 moja.
Hebu bado tuchezee moja, unajua ni tamu sana.
Hiyo. Nicheze ingine tofauti kama hiyo.
Cheza tofauti.
Waje nicheze yangu sasa, hii ambendi yangu inaitwa Kamundina Kamundete.
Kamundina Kamundete.
Kamundete.
Okay. Haya, tucheze.
Mweni semba bione kamundi. Mwana mweni semba wone kamundi umane. Mundi na tumyundi. Kamundi na tumyundi umane. Baye kamundi kana tumyundi. Baye kamundi kana tumyundi. Kamundi na tumyundi. Kamundi na tumyundi. Kamundi na tumyundi. Kamundi na tumyundi. Mundi na uo myundi umane. Ona mundi na uo myundi umane. Kia ngoma. Edo msingine. Wayata. Anda mbugi mwene. Eliwi wakwavyu na kwani waku. Disawi wakwawe na kwani waku omane. Takamundi na kamundete. Takamundi na kamundete. Mayota ni mwajuane jomane. Mayota ni mwajuane jomane. Kululu. Waje hizi. Maitu kizungu na kizengo. Mami kizungu na kizengo. Mwamwe kizambia na kitongo.
Asante sana.
Mwamwe kizambia na kitongo.
Thank you so much. Asante. Iko sawa kabisa. So guys, I don't understand the language, but it sounds so sweet, so comforting. So ukiingia hapa, make sure the first thing get entertained na ndambuki. Asante sana. Yeah, so guys, we are halfway across the river, and crossing is not that really easy. Rocks are so slippery, and unaweza uanguka kwa waterfalls. So leo tuko na tour guide wetu anaitwa Mose, anaweza tuelezea kuhusu hii waterfall. Amekaa hapa how long? Mose, karibu.
Yes, asante sana. Mimi kwa majina naitwa Mose na mimi hufanya kazi hapa as a tour guide na pia mimi dive naweza dive huko juu ya hizo waterfalls. Okay,
Mose, umeanza kazi hapa lini?
Nilianza kitambo, tuseme kama miaka 10 hivi imepita. Manake nimezaliwa hapa around. At first nilikuwa na swim kama fun, lakini nikafikia mahali nikapata familia ikakuwa sasa ni kazi. Yes.
And it looks like ni kama una enjoy. Naona it's so dangerous.
Na enjoy sana juu najua every part hapa. Naweza ingia ndani hizo waterfalls, naweza dive, naweza fanya anything hapa, nasikia nikiwa safe.
Sasa unaweza aje manage kujua mahali una step kutoka huko mwisho mpaka hapa?
Kuna njia ambazo wanga tumesafisha na brush juu the rocks are slippery. So tuna njia tofauti. Na especially mimi bila kujisifu, I'm one of the best divers hapa.
You're one of the best divers?
I'm one of the best.
Okay.
Yes.
Congratulations. Yes. So tell us some history about this view.
Okay, 14 Falls, it was named long time ago by a white man named Macmillan. Amezikwa Kilimambogo. Kuna mountain pale inaitwa Kilimambogo, very close.
Kilimambogo iko wapi?
Iko very close to us. Iko hapa juu. Tutai-view baadaye. Then alinamed 14 Falls because of these waterfalls. If you count the waterfalls from the first one up to the last one there are 14. That's the reason why it's called 14 Falls, huh? Then 14 Falls iko na mto iko na jina yenyewe. Mto ni Athi River, inaanza Gong, inaenda mpaka kwa ocean. Then around 14 Falls we have such animals like fish. Ukienda chini kidogo tuna crocodiles. Ukienda upande wa juu kuna wale hippopotamus. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Umesema kuna fish?
Kuna fish around, kuna 3 types of fish, kuna mudfish, kuna tilapia, kuna catfish. Hizo ndo samaki napatikana hapa around.
Okay, approximately how many times do you cross this river during a busy day?
A busy day like a weekend like today, I can go more than 5 times with different visitors. Kuna wazungu, kuna wahindi, kuna local tourists, and I'm very happy of my work. Nafurahia sana.
Okay, kuuliza ni challenge gani una face sometimes which you can't avoid, ile una face hapa yenye inakusumbua sana?
Challenge ile kubwa ukua during the rain season, juu wakati wa mvua actually huwezi cross. Hata wacha visitor, hata sisi wenyewe divers, you can't cross. Maji inakuwa mingi, ina flood all over those rocks. Unapata you can't do anything. So hiyo ndo a big challenge. Challenge nyingine sasa tuseme ni wakati corona ilikuwa mbaya ndio kulikuwa na challenge. Lakini sasa hizi naona kazi imefunguka. Ukiangalia watu ni wengi, kuna students, kuna wazungu, kuna wahindi. The job now is good.
Okay.
Yes.
Na kuna siku kushaikuwa na risk fulani kucross hapa ama hakuna siku shai face any risk kuanguka?
Mimi sijai face any risk. Manake nimekuambia ni kitu nilianza kufanya nikiwa mtoto. Na najua hizi mawe vizuri sana. Labda tu ni slide kidogo naanguke kwa maji nikuwe wet, lakini si niumie. Siwezi sema niwe umia kwa hizi rocks. Lakini wageni wengine sometimes wanasemanga they will cross at their own. Hapo sawa wageni ndio upata kitu kama accident anagongo na mawe hivi anaumia.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mose.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the history. Asante. Guys, now that we are done with the view from the top, now we are going to the bottom to have a view of the waterfall from the bottom. Now let's go.
65 kilometers northeast of the capital Nairobi is this
And we've gone across the river, and we are here now. So my director will show you the waterfalls from the beginning, from this position to the other position. Stay tuned. Aya, director. Show them.
Bayi kamundi, kamundi kana tumundi. Bayi kamundi, kamundi kana tumundi. Kamundi na tumundi, kamundi na tumundi. Kamundi na tumundi, kamundi na tumundi. Mundi na wo mundi umane. Ona mundi na wo mundi umane. Kiangoma. Leta msingine.
Hello viewers, now that we are done with the first task of crossing the river and viewing the waterfall, we are proceeding to the next easier task, that's boat riding. Let's go! Now, I'm enjoying the boat while having the nice view of the waterfall and some cool wind blowing. Okay, for how long have you done? Umesema umefanya for 10 years. Hii imekusaidia aje?
Okay. Napata my daily bread hapa.
Yeah.
Nalishia watoto hapa.
Okay. I would like you to play some of your music to play for us so we can listen.
It's good. And that's what I'm supposed to do.
Okay.
Okay, let's carry on.
Okay. Let's go.
Heart so true, long for you, thought I have to give. All my love belong to you, as long as I may live. There will never be anyone else but you for me. Never, never be. God could be anyone else but you. I'll never forget the way you kissed me.
Yeah.
And when we were together, I wonder if you miss me. Cause I hope and pray the day will come when you belong to me. Now will come and prove you will be my very own. There'll never be anyone else but you for me. Never, never be. Just could be anyone else but you. You got me. We got something everybody else can see. Me, I got you. We got good things, honey, you know we do. We don't need no money, you and I. What we got together, money cannot buy. We have gold, let's bring home. I got you got me, we go la. Let us sing. I got you got me, we go la. Once again. I got you got me, we got. Like we tangu to more more 14 for you manjana rohi oruanjora. Gira mwendo nengere diangita kuna ko utwara ire tamararanja. Da hore ire ngita more more 14 for. Edisio de ikyo ya marinda na igoro. Kanye kikare o tiga no bere bere na nogo ikienyuraga mahiga muratanga menyane onyenda mwendo wanjoyane ria na kamithi kana ongwaterie kiraiko twezingira na onjigerera nyondo iguru. Everyone consider him coward of the county. Never stand one single time to prove the country wrong. His mama called him Tommy, folk just call him Yellow. Something always told me you're raising Tommy wrong. He was only 10 years old when Daddy died in a prison. Had to care of Tommy, cause he was my brother's son. I still recall the final word my brother said to Tommy. Son, my love is over, but you just began. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble when you can. Please don't think I'm weak when I turn the other cheek. I hope you are enough to understand. Then you don't have to fight to be a man. There's someone for everyone. Tommy's love was Betty. In his life, he didn't dare to prove he was a man. But one day while washing, God and boss came calling. They took a chance to bake a spy. I know it was 3 of them. When Tommy came to the bar that night, God and boss were laughing. As Tommy bounced and turned around, they say, look, you're leaving. And you could not hear the pin drop. When Tommy locked the door, he says his words to them, as the daddy said before. I promise today not to do the things you done. Walk away from trouble when you can. Please don't think I'm weak when I turn the other cheek. I hope you are enough to understand. Sometimes you have to fight to be a man. Everyone considered him a coward. Oh, the county. You got no when to hold on, no when to fold on, no when to walk away, no when to run. Never count your money. What's feeling at the table? There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. Now every God bless knows secret for survival. Knows well what to throw away. He knows what to keep. Cause every hand is the winner. Every hand is the loser. The best you can hope for is to die in the street. And when finished the speaking, turn back for the window. Crash down the cigarette, they faded him to sleep. Somewhere in the darkness, the Gabra he broke even. Find what I found. There is a day to keep. You got no when to hold, no when to fall on, no when to walk away, no when to run. Count your money. What's ceiling at the table? There'll be time enough for counting. When the deal is done, you got no when to hold on, no when to fall on, no when to walk away, no when to run. Never count your money. What's ceiling at the table? There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. Tukere kere maine kia bogo, keheo ngimane ngoma ngiugandi kuria, ndaheo nyama ne ngoma ngiugandi kuria. Yerwo keino keto tiraragia ndore, ne wega shudu. Kire tukiria kiro getungu maguru, nikio giatuma kiraiko giakwa giitike. Kiraharirwo kahoa-ini kwa oveni, wathikiriria kihoa no kokokoko. Tukiamenyire murundo na murundani, eni rukungu kana mberi, ni wega shudu. Tio mukonyo na ringi uhutio kinena, na ndukahutio mukuru wa ndaria, ni wega shudu. It's a long time tourists you've been waiting for the 14 falls. I say you never know. And is that now my foreheart is breaking? Heaven sake, are you going away? Then tourists, all are you leaving us? Do not rest to bite like a dew. But remember the 14 falls and the friends that you have me there. Goodbye, tourists, goodbye. Goodbye, tourists, goodbye. I'll see you again, but I don't know when. Goodbye, tourists, goodbye. Thank you so much for you to squeeze me to your title program. My name is Francis Kenywa Karezi, who is the 14th Force entertainer. I wish you good stay and good journey until we meet again. God bless.
Thanks for watching Ronnie the Nomad.